Menteri Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat Basuki Hadimulyono Jumat siang
hingga sebatas lutut.
Due to the shortage of water supplied by government and the poor quality of the water, some households buy water from water vendors. According to the former research, the proposal summarizes the main strategies and initiatives about the water problem. The GRAB proposal provides a design stages with the direct concepts in 3 scale. GUARD, the action is related to how to protect the waterfront and maintain the water quality. Recycle, the action mentions to how to utilizing the water resource effectively. Active, the action sets the guideline to reverse the public space. Balance, the action expects the final goal to keep the perfect status after all of the design stages. Let's grab. GUARD. Prevent coastal erosion. Prevent landslide. Prevent regional floods. Banish floods in house. Recycle. Utilize industrial water. Improve raindrops. Reuse water resource. Improve materials. Active. Enhance city green belt. Prompt socialization. Prompt economic. Reuse vocab space. Balance. Balance groundwater quantity and subsidence condition. Keep water in good using. Maintain village environment quality.